Arriola, and this is going to be the first of many videos that I intend to upload. I'm creating a channel called Road to Retirement, where I'm basically going to document my journey into retirement, and along the way, all the steps that I'm taking to be financially comfortable by the time I retire. The main goal that I want to achieve before I retire is simple. I don't want to be the richest person in the world. That's not really my goal. But my goal is to leave generational wealth. Possibly one rental property per child. So I have 3 daughters. All of them are above their 20s already. One of them is already married with her own property, where she lives in her own house. So I no longer have kids, but when I do retire, my intent is to leave them with one rental property each that is already having some positive cash flow, where it's already earning some income, and we'll leave them each one with one of the properties. So just make it more comfortable for them, and hopefully they do the same, with their own children in the future. Create something that makes it comfortable for their families as well, in addition to whatever they're earning. And then secondly, the property where I live in, the home where I live in, the family house, would end up with one of the daughters or all of the daughters, if those who get it or whatever they want to do it. But to even make it more comfortable, since it is in a 30-year fixed mortgage that was also refinanced in 2018, so that's 18 plus 30, that's 48, 2048. If I'm already gone by that time, and there's still some outstanding balance in that mortgage, it's going to be the debt of my family. So my intention is to build a dividend growth portfolio where it's already earning enough dividends to cover my monthly mortgage. And once I achieve all of those, then I feel I successfully completed whatever I intended to do for my retirement in a financial sense. As long as each daughter has a rental property that's earning some income, and it will be theirs, and another one is a stock trading portfolio, a stock investment, the dividend growth one, that is earning some dividends that will pay for the mortgage of the existing home. Whether they decide to sell it or not, or continue with it, that's up to them. But that's what basically I'm gonna leave, and then they'll do it from there. And then all my actions along the way will be documented in this journey. And probably this is going to be the video that is watched the least, because it's not really about anything in investments or what. It's more of my goals and my reasoning. And the reason why I'm putting out the channel, it also makes myself accountable to my own goals to the public. When you speak about it and you let people know, you tend to be more accountable with those actions. Right now, I am driving. I'm on my way to the Blossom Tour event in Los Angeles. If you're not aware, Blossom is a social media network of investors and traders. Some of them are even in real estate, but it's primarily on the stock market people. Some of them are growth investors, some of them are dividend investors, some of them are dividend growth investors, some of them are swing traders, and all of that. And it's just nice to network with other people and learn from them. And just know that whenever you're meeting with other people with different stock investment strategies, you'll find some that align well with your strategies, and you'll find some that do not align well with your strategies. But either way, you'll find successful people in all of them, and you'll find people that are millionaires in all of them. So you can't really say this person is right or this person is wrong. You could just say this strategy aligns with me and this one doesn't align with me. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, and based on your strengths and weaknesses, whether it is from knowledge and skill and, you know, upbringing, culture, whatever it is, some of these strategies will align with your strengths and some of them won't. So there's really no right and wrong. It's really what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So in this first video, aside from sharing my goals, I'm also sharing that there are differences in beliefs. And even when you're on an online platform, as I mentioned on the Blossom Network, online, when you download the Blossom app, you'll notice that sometimes people go into heated debates. Some people say, why did you do that? Why did you do this? This is better. If you just invested in an ETF and don't